Hello everyone and welcome back to the Posworx training. Today I will be talking to you about bulk transfers. A bulk transfer is used when moving stock from a distribution warehouse in bulk to stores. The system will reserve the stock in the bulk transfer by reducing the stock on hand unit values. I'm now going to show you how to create a bulk transfer on Posworx. On your home screen, click Product Control, Transfers, Bulk Transfer, and in this bulk transfer screen, you can scan in a barcode in the search bar here. You can type out a code or type a description like this. You can tick the checkbox to custom date range for sales to review the sales on this item. Select your dates. You can click Show Sales Only. Tick the checkbox and click Search. Below it shows you a search history of all your sales. If you untick Show Sales Only and click Search again, it takes you back to your item where it shows you how many units were sold in that date range. The units sold was 15 in this item here. If you would like to move the stock around, select the store you would like to move the stock from and drag to the next store. A confirm units box like this appears. You can type in the number of units you would like to move, or you could tick the checkbox to move all size and colors. Alternatively, you could click Move All, and as you see, all stock has moved to the next store. You can drag the stock back to that store, or you could select a few items to move like this. Once you're done, click OK. You can select the next tab, Preview Transfers, and here it shows you your transfers in your bulk transfer. If you would like to move stock around again, you can go back to your Create Transfer screen and drag and move. Again, your Confirm Units box appears. You can select the number of units you would like to move. Click OK. Once you're happy with your bulk transfer that you've created, you can click Complete on the bottom. Save. A message appears. Are you sure you want to save these transfers? You will not be able to edit them in the bulk editor once you complete this process. Click Yes. And that is how you would create a bulk transfer on Posworx. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.